Good morning. Did somebody say travel vlog? I've just woke up. I sound horrendous. It is currently, you can't see, but it is currently 5 to 6 in the morning. And basically, I have surprised my best friend, speak of the devil, for her birthday. We're gonna go to Dublin in Ireland. I really can't say Ireland. Don't know why I butcher every single word that comes out of my mouth. I will be able to speak to you guys more like when we're at the airport or when we're in the car. But basically, Lauren said to me quite a while ago, she kept tagging me in TikToks and she was like, oh, I really want to go, we really need to go together. And then I just thought to myself, do you know what, why shouldn't I just go and book a holiday together? So me, Lauren, Dan and Lewis, who's Lauren's boyfriend, we're going to go and spend 4 days in Dublin. So excited. So Lauren knows that we're going on a plane, but she doesn't know where we're going. We had to sort of, because I was telling her like what we needed to pack, at first I was like, oh, just bring a suitcase because it's going to be easier. She was like, oh, we're going on a plane. I was like, no, where are we going on a plane? And then in the end I had to tell her, but I didn't tell her where. So I bought her a card, and then inside this card is a little QR code. So basically I'm going to give her the card when we get to the airport and she's going to scan it and she's going to find out where we're going. I actually think it's so cute. I look like a crackhead. It's like the worst lighting in the world.
I'm going to change it to LED soon, so for a recording studio for you.
Party in the back seat. Right, so we're outside of Lewis's house just picking him and Lauren up, and I'm going to give her the card here. I was going to do it in the airport, but by the time that like we've checked in and everything, she's going to find out where we're going. I'm really excited to see her reaction. A part of me thinks that she knows.
Yeah.
Mainly because we were on the phone to her one day, and we were explaining like a situation like with the restrictions and everything, and Dan was like, oh, in Ireland, and I was like, why did you say that? I can't say Ireland.
Ireland?
Island. Is that how you say it? It sounds like I'm going to an actual island though.
Yeah, that's what it is really.
I know, but I thought it was Ireland. That's my Irish roots coming out.
Ireland.
Me 1/18th of Irish.
Why did that scare you?
I thought somebody was breaking into your room.
Only.
Good morning.
I need to bloody shrink it. Thank you. I'll wait till we get on the plane, then you'll see how tall I am. I'm all crunched up in seats.
Top guns. Can you see how eager I am? I'm like, open the card. Sorry mate, I'm making you wait so bad.
Tweed.
Oh, wait a minute. Can't see it.
Thank you.
Oh my god, I can't believe you put that photo on. It should say at the very top. It doesn't. Oh shit, yeah, it doesn't. I was just blind. Okay, let's go. I was so blind because I just read, we're going to, and then I just read everything in brackets. I was like, there's no other. Did you ever have any idea at all? Yeah. Yeah.
You definitely heard me on phone that day.
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
like
fucking idiot.
I used to do a fucking Irish accent. I was like, oh, is that where we're going? Lewis asked me the other day, he was like, do you think you know where we're going? And I was like, yes. I do.
She wouldn't tell me. I was like, you tell me where you think we're going. And she was like, no, I don't want to ruin it.
I was like, I'll turn around so you can't see my reaction then when you say it. And I was like, alright, okay, turn around, and I went Dublin. I said to her the other day, I was like, imagine that we're like going to Blackpool or something, we drive all the way to Manchester. I was like, perhaps we're going to Skegness. Bro, I don't even know where your phone is. We're boarded the plane. And we were meant to board at we went to board like 40 minutes ago and it's 12 now, so... Alright, we're getting rid of the late. We'll set off soon.
Ruining the vlog.
This hotel room is literally filled with huge mirrors and I'm not complaining because anywhere you go you're like, do I look okay from this angle? Do I look okay from the back angle? I'm gonna go for breakfast, do a bit more exploring and then we're gonna get ready to go out tonight. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. Pre-warning, we have completely trashed the room because we've already been out once tonight and I forgot to do a little room tour. But I like watching it when people upload like how the room looks. We're staying at the Jury's Inn, by the way, and I 100% recommend it. I think we've got the double superior room, I think that's what it's called. I'll leave everything down below, like where we've booked and things like that, so that you can go and check it out. But yeah, I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So it's actually really spacious. You've actually got a little closet here that's actually quite big. To be fair, we could unpack, but we're only here for 3 nights, so I think it's a bit pointless. And then they've even given us a travel iron as well, which is really handy because I know that your clothes can get creased really easy, obviously when you're flying and traveling. And then we've got our little tea and coffee station here, which, if anyone knows me, you know I love coffee, so I've immediately cracked open the kettle and made myself a coffee. And then we've got this giant mirror here as well, so for when you're getting ready it's actually super convenient because it's giant. And then we also have this one that's behind us as well. And then we've got this, I think this is a king size bed actually. This is really big too. The entire room itself is actually really spacious. And then we've got a little TV as well. I don't think we'll be using this because practically everything is just thrown in front of it. A little chair, and then we've also got a sofa which actually turns into a sofa bed as well, so I think that's really convenient again if you've got more than like 2 people staying in this room perhaps. And then we've got a really good and really nice view. Obviously we've been to Tesco and bought some alcohol because in Dublin they've actually got an 8 PM curfew, so we're gonna go down to the lobby till 10 PM. I think because we're staying here and we're guests, we can actually stay down there till 10 PM. And then we're going to come back up here afterwards and actually drink in the hotel room itself. This is what I mean by we trashed the place already, like the clothes are just everywhere. And then this is our view. So we're about a 15-minute walk away. We're on Parnell Street, by the way, so it's the Jury's Inn on Parnell Street. And we're about a 15-minute walk away from Temple Bar. Everything's like really close by and in walking distance. I think it took us like 20 minutes to walk to like where all the bars and everything were and the steakhouse that we've just been to. Why did I sound like that? Okay, so we touched down in Dublin at like, what time were it? What time did we get here?
About 1:15.
Yeah, about 1:15. We're just getting ready to go out. I've got sock boots with flares and just a black bodysuit. I'm gonna wear this coat, but I don't know if I should have my hair up or down. I kind of want it up just so you can see like the fur collar of the coat. I feel like if I had my hair down, then it'll look quite, like it'll cover it up. I am kind of feeling my hair up.
Yeah.
Not in a ponytail, but maybe in a bun with this like middle parting that's going on. And then if I do some spiky bits. Off-model duty vibes, or about to go to work in an office. Hang on, oh, should we pull out these bad boys? We're currently in Dublin and it's not sunny and it's like 6 o'clock at night. Or do we pull out the green ones that nobody's really going to see the colour of? But the style's cute. I think I like these more. No, I look like I'm from Matrix now. His handbag is like Mary Poppins' handbag.
We've got Narnia in there.
Let's do a what's in my bag. First we have a giant umbrella, 2 pairs of sunglasses, purse, some Carmex, a lip gloss. Oh my god, this smells like fish. PLT leather. It smells like fish and I don't know why. To cover up the smell of fish, we are using Gucci Floral Gardenia. Thanks, pretty little thing. I now smell like I've been to a fish market. So the place that we're going tonight is a steakhouse. We booked one at Temple Bar, however they rung me yesterday and said that due to like Rona and everything, they've got no staff basically, and moved us to their sister restaurant. So we're gonna go there tonight and devour in some sirloin steak.
You don't have the facilities for that, big man.
I love a steak. We're gonna go get Lauren and Lewis now, and we'll see you all at the steakhouse. There's also
I'm probably gonna have a glass of red. It's a steakhouse.
Dan, there's a package by the door. Oh, is it?
That water must be free. So.
Oh. We didn't want to drink the water in case it costs like loads of money. Here you go.
There's a sacre outside. Take Lauren and think. Take Lauren and.
Lauren and Lewis's water and milk. So I was going to start this off by saying good morning. Had a really nice night last night. I can't believe it's day 2 already. We're going to get Lauren and Lewis so that we can get our breakfast. We don't know where we're going yet. So Dan's just said to me to steal their refreshments. Can't lie, the child of me is tempted to play knock-door run. Good morning!
Hello. Is that
Copacabana. That's milk. That's milk.
Then, so that's from like when I was out.
Well, you like renting, weren't you, as well, though? You can
I got the secret. Fit check. Let's do an outfit check on Lauren. Where's your dress from?
Boohoo.
Where's your jacket from?
Primark.
Boots.
ASOS.
I really like those boots. I really like them.
Kurt Geiger.
Oh, fancy. Boots are Pretty Little Thing. Socks are Pretty Little Thing. These are Princess Polly. Pretty Little Thing. Pretty Little Thing. Wrong way. Oh shit. Whoa! Loves the Pretty Little Thing. We are on our way to go meet Dan and Lewis.
No idea where they are, to be honest.
No, they're around the corner somewhere. We're not entirely sure where. And then we're going to have some drinks, go explore. That's probably Lewis.
Speak of the devil, you can take that.
Yeah, we're going to have some drinks.
Hello?
And explore. I brought my jacket with me.
Hello?
Because it's like freezing.
Hi, yeah, where are you?
Dublin. See you when we're drinking. Get it, girl. Get it, me gal.
Shut the lips then.
I've had 1 pint of Guinness and I'm literally the giddiest person in Dublin. I'm the annoying friend of the group.
Oh no.
Wow. We are very drunk. We're just going to Temple Bar if I don't fall over because loads of the roads are like cobbly. We walked past Temple Bar today like during the day and it was actually really nice and really cute. All my adjectives just involve the word cute.
Cute, nice.
Beautiful. Just cute, nice. Oh, we need to finish the Snapchat.